Hey, Alex Cobb here, and I'm going to help you set up your video channel feature inside your platform. So the first thing you're going to do is once you log into your platform, we are going to be in the dashboard. Now, for us to grab your video channel feature, let's go into the add feature. Once we click on here, we are now going to choose the video channel feature. And as you can see over here, this is where it's going to give you a small quick description on what the video channel is all about. But one of the best ways to really find out what a feature can do is just by building it and testing it out. So now we are going to build your video channel feature. Now, once we're here, the first thing we're going to do is check out the icon. If you are satisfied with that icon, feel free to keep it. Or if you want to pick a different icon, you can, which I think I am going to do right now. It's a little bit more appropriate. But if you have a full customized icon yourself, feel free to upload your own icon as well. The next one is the video channel name. Now that is just a generic default name when it comes to the video channel. So make sure you are creative with yours. Next one is going to be the feature status. This is going to activate this feature to your members. So if you leave it off, nobody's going to be able to see it or access it. If you turn it on, then your members are going to be able to see it and access it. Right now, I'm just going to leave it off. Next one is going to be the hidden feature. So that means if you activate it and then you activate the hidden feature, that means only a select few members that you have chosen can access your video channel feature. The rest of your members, they cannot see it because it is a hidden feature. The next one would be the feature pricing. If you turn this on, that means in order for any of your members to access it, they would have to pay a monthly, a one-time, or annually. So feel free, if you do want to add a price for it, definitely customize that to your likings. So one time, monthly, or even annually. So feel free to price your video channel feature. For now, I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to turn off the hidden feature as well. And the next one is going to be the channel trailer. I already have a custom trailer right now, a generic one. Let's go with this one. Beautiful. Now that the channel feature trailer has been uploaded, I am now going to give it a description right where it says feature text. Again, default description. Make sure you add yours. That's going to be more unique to you. And if you already have a channel, either say a YouTube channel, for example, feel free to just copy your description there about your channel and add it on here. The next one now is going to be the banner image. I already have one ready to go as well, but if you want to customize yours, just be sure that the size of your banner is 1664 by 272 to make sure it fits appropriately. Now I'm adding my banner image, and here it is. Fitness channel. Very, very generic. So this is it right here. I have now set up my video channel settings. Now, it cannot go live yet. I have to add a video in the video channel feature first. Before I do that, I want to make sure I save all these settings here, which is fine because it says I need to add a video in one of the channels. So I'm going to do that now, but I'm going to make sure I save it. Beautiful. It's now saved. So in order for me to add a video, I'm going to go in the upper right-hand corner where it says videos here. And I'm going to click on upload videos. The video title, I'm just going to title a test video. The video file, let's upload one. Now that the video file has been uploaded, it's ready to go. I'm going to add a thumbnail to that, which I have already taken a picture of. Let's go to my folder of thumbnails, and here it is right here. Beautiful. So now I'm going to add a description on it as well. Now the next one is select section, which I'm just going to leave at default. Select playlist. I don't have a playlist yet. Leave it as default. And you have a few settings here to publish your video. Either private to where nobody else can see it, public to where it's available right now, or if I want to schedule it later on in the future, I can schedule it as well. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as public, and I'm going to save. So now this video is accessible by everybody. Now I'm going to go back to my settings, and I am now going to activate this feature. This is where the fun begins. So I turn on the feature status, on, and I'm gonna save it. And now everybody's gonna be able to have access to this video channel feature. Just to make sure though that all the settings here looks exactly how I want it, I am now going to log in as a member using my test member information, which I made a test member right here. This person's name is test member. All right, so now I'm gonna log in as a member. Oh, by the way, before I do that, as you can see over here, this is just default images. So definitely change the background picture, our video, the logo, and the description of it. Feel free to change that, and definitely change that to fit to your custom platform. Beautiful. Now that I'm here, it's even telling me right now what's new. The best fitness channel ever. First video just came out, which is amazing. But I'm gonna go visit the channel right now. I'm gonna go visit the best fitness channel ever. And beautiful. This is exactly how I want it to look like. This is absolutely amazing. Now, I have plenty of other videos as well though. I do not just want to leave it with one video. I want to upload the rest of my videos, and also I'm going to add a playlist as well. So now that everything's here, everything's set up, everything looks exactly like how I like it. Just make sure. Beautiful. The channel trailer feature is working. It's exactly how I want it to be. Description right here. This is the best fitness video channel feature on platform ever. Exactly. Awesome. And let me just make sure my video also plays right here as well. Amazing. Give myself a thumbs up. Awesome. Ha, beautiful. Nice. So now I want to add the rest of my videos in here. Because right now, if I click on playlist, it is empty. I definitely want to give content there as well. So now I'm going to go back to the content creator side, and I could see somebody liked my video right now. New post. Oh, beautiful. Somebody liked it. Amazing. So now I'm going to go back to the best fitness channel so I could upload more videos. And this is where I'm going to add a playlist in my video channel feature. But I only have one video for now. So I'm going to add more videos by clicking up here where it says videos. So now that I've uploaded majority of the video content that I have here, I am now going to describe to you what sections are and playlists. Let's start with the playlist so I can give you a good demo right here. So a playlist is pretty much a series of videos that I want to add in a bundle. For example, if I want to add nothing but weightlifting videos, I would add the test video 2, test video 3, right? I would not include video 5 or this other video 5 right here or video 4 because it has nothing to do with weightlifting. I want to keep it in terms of just one singular playlist as a bundle. So now I'm going to give you a quick demo on how to add videos on your playlist. But before I do that, before I add videos in a playlist, I'm going to make a playlist section first. Clicking on playlist now. And let's add on the weightlifting videos I was talking about. Save. Now you can technically add the videos here as well, one by one. But since I have already uploaded those videos that I want, I don't have to do that. All I'm going to do now is go to videos over here. And let's add the videos that I want. Let's go with test video. Let's add that as part of the playlist. Select playlist. Add that in weightlifting videos. Update. Beautiful. Let's add the other ones. Test video 2. Let's click on select playlist. Weightlifting videos. Beautiful. And one more. Let's add test video 3. Since this person is also lifting weights, scroll all the way down, select playlist, update, beautiful. Now that I have added all the videos in the playlist that I want, I am now going to click playlist just to make sure that they're all in there. Cool. So now let's check that out. Beautiful. So now you can see all the videos that I want in that weightlifting video playlist. They are all here. Absolutely amazing. So now I'm going to update just to be sure. I'm going to go back. And if you have other playlists as well, feel free to rotate them around just to make sure you have it in the right order. The next one to go over is the sections. Once you're here, I'm going to give you a quick explanation of what sections are. Hypothetically, if you want to bundle your videos in terms of newly uploaded videos, most popular videos, your diet videos, you can do that in sections as well. or controversial videos, most commented videos, you can do that. So now if I want to add a certain section, let's title this one as most popular and commented. And I could pick one from the playlist as well, or I could customize one too. But let's make a whole new one, right? Let's customize it, most popular and commented. Let's just save that. Beautiful. Now, since I already have those videos, I'm going to go back to my videos here, and I'm going to select it from there. So let's hypothetically say video 5 was a most commented video. I am now going to add that into that section. Most popular and commented. Update. And let's say this one was a controversial video as well. Most commented in terms of yoga. Let's go all the way down here. And let's add that to that section as well. Most popular and commented. Update. Beautiful. And just to make sure it's in that section, let's click in there. Most popular and commented. Beautiful. Very nice. Let's update just to be sure. And let's go back. Now, since these are sections and I've already made a playlist for the weightlifting videos, I also want to add that too, because in the future, I'm going to upload more weightlifting videos. So let's add another section here. So the section title, I'm just going to call it more weightlifting. And then custom is from a playlist. And let's choose the weightlifting videos. Let's save that. Boom. I want this one to be prioritized. So I'm going to move this up above. Beautiful. Now it's saved, ready to go. And I'm going to update the order just to make sure it's in the right order. Awesome. Now let's go ahead and check that out. All the changes we've made so far. Let's go log back into the test member. Let's refresh. Nice. Check that out. So these are the sections that I'm talking about. So when you're having sections, this is where now I'm going to have the more weightlifting videos right here. I'm going to add more videos in the future. And this right here, most popular and commented as well. And a really popular section you want to add, and this helps out a lot, especially for your current members, is by adding new uploaded videos. So that way they can keep track in terms of what's the latest video you've been releasing. Let's just not add any videos right now, but let's just upload that. Let's put that at the very top. Beautiful. Let's update the order. And let's go back to the member section. Refresh that. Beautiful. So now any new videos that you have, you should definitely want to upload it here and add it to this section when it comes to your newest videos that are coming out. So now we have 3 sections here. New uploaded videos, more weightlifting, most popular and commented. Feel free to be a lot more creative when it comes to your titles. Mine are just super simple and generic. Let's go check out that playlist that we made earlier, by the way, by checking it out right here. Playlist. Beautiful. Check out all my playlists right here. Beautiful. So everything here is exactly how I want it to be. The banner's there, the channel trailer, description, all my videos and sections right here. Now my video channel is ready to go. And that right there is how you would set up your video channel feature. So if you have any questions about setting up your video channel feature or any questions at all when it comes to setting up your platform, feel free to hit us up in the support hub, in the live chat. On that, I will see you in the next tutorial video.